YouTube, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a self-cut tutorial for you guys, a step-by-step full walkthrough on how to cut your own hair from home. You know, if you guys have been struggling with barbering prices and you guys don't want to go to your barber, this is a perfect video for you guys to watch just to learn how to cut your own hair from home. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button. It really helps a lot with the growth of the channel. And I'm just gonna start breaking everything down for you guys really quick. First things first, guys, I have a cape. You know, if you guys have a shirt, whatever, you guys need whatever equipment, use what you have at your disposal. I do also have a 360 mirror by Self Cut System. If you guys don't have a 360 mirror, you guys are gonna have to use your bathroom mirror and kind of like another mirror as a reference point, which is fucking hard. So I just recommend you guys buying either a Self Cut System or another cheap 360 mirror on Amazon. Now, I'll leave a lot of all the tools in the description if you guys are interested. So how you're gonna use this mirror, this is gonna reflect to the right side of my face. So if I wanna get closer towards the back of my head, I wanna look into here, get closer, and then push this mirror back, and it'll give me a slight good perspective on the back of my head. Same thing goes for the other side. So if I wanna take a look at the other side, of my left side of my head, I'm gonna look at the right side of the mirror and then push this mirror back, and I can get the full scope, the full perspective. Using our soft trimmer or whatever trimmer that you guys are gonna be using for your self-cut. We're gonna start here first. This is a C-cup area. We're gonna go about 25% in, a quarter in right here. This is gonna be the highest point right here at the top. Actually, like 2 fingers right here. All right, so next step, we're just gonna now clean all this with our hard trimmer, which is our sharper trimmer. Fairly quickly. Just drag the trimmer. As you work your way around your head, you also have to angle your trimmer and the blade to kind of go with the shape of your head. All right, next step, guys, we're gonna grab our Saber Clipper or whatever clipper that you're using. Open up the lever. This is open position, closed, open. This makes the half, this makes the 0. So we're gonna go in with the lever open and set a guideline that's a finger's width that matches the same guideline that we just set. So lever open, I'm gonna be using like only about half of the blade right here. I'm working my way back. Make sure it's nice and even. Consistent guidelines will equal a consistent fade. As I work my way back towards over here, I'm gonna start tilting the mirror and tilting my head as well so I can get a better perspective of the back of the head. So now we have this guideline set. Our job now is to erase it using this lever right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a 3/4 open position, and I'm gonna hit it almost towards the top of the line. So I have this 1 finger's length of room to fade. So we're going 3/4. I'm hitting almost the top of the line. Then I'm gonna put it midway. I'm gonna hit it midway right here, the guideline midway, and then I'm gonna close it and hit the beginning of the line. So we're gonna repeat the process from here to here, and then from here all the way back to the head over here. So just to stay organized. So now let's go 3/4 open. Just grazing the line right here. Working from the ear to the temple. Once you guys go through about 2 times, let's put it midway through. We're going midway point of the guideline. Then let's close it all the way and hit the beginning of the line right here. But be very careful though in this step, because you don't want to push the line, and you just want to baby tap that beginning of the line, the trimmer line basically. So now that we have blended out this line right here across the whole head, we're gonna keep our lever open attach to number 1. This, like I told you guys, makes the half. We attach the 1 guard, it makes the 1.5. So we're gonna go a finger's length above now, this line right here, and repeat the same thing. All right guys, so now we have set our guideline with the 1 guard lever open. This is just fairly a simple way, guys. This is gonna be a 2-step process. First, we're gonna start with our lever closed. Hit the beginning of the line right here, go midway, hit it midway, and then open it and hit the full guideline. That's gonna soften this line, but it's not gonna fully blend it. Every line after this is a 2-step process like that, and we're gonna erase this line with the 0.5 guard on the next step. But for now, with the 1 guard, let's go ahead and baby tap the beginning of the line right here. Now let's go midway, go a tiny bit higher. Let's go all the way open. Gently tap, gently tap. Midway point of that guideline, just open it all the way, and let's hit the full guideline again. Work our way back. And you guys can just be working as far as like closing the lever, opening the lever as you guys please until you guys are comfortable with moving on to the next step. All right, so now you guys can see this is softened, but there's still a hard line right here and a hard line over here, which is perfectly fine. Attach your 0.5 guard. I told you guys will need to purchase this on the side. It does not come with your machine. Some machines actually do come with a 0.5 guard, but I prefer to get the premium guards, the wall guards. We're gonna go in with the lever closed. This is a 0.5 lever closed. We're gonna do the same thing, but we only have about half of this finger's length to work from the closed to open position. So let's start right here. Make sure that the blade is touching the surface of your skin correctly. We're just gonna work towards the temple side of the head. 1 time closed, 2 times closed. Let's go midway now. Go a tiny bit higher. In this step, you guys just have to take your time. Honestly, you guys can't rush it because a lot of the times we rush that 0.5 guard and we go back and we're like, we missed some spots, you know, so you just make sure you take your time. Open it all the way. This is now blended, guys. We're at our last step right here. If you guys have more bulk on top, you guys might have to extend your fade by giving you guys another guideline with the 3 guard lever open. But for my hair, everything's gonna blend right through when I set my guideline with the 2 guard lever open. Same thing applies, same rules apply. We're going a finger's length on top. Just gliding the hair. Two guard closed now. So my lever's closed. This is barely kind of hitting, it's barely hitting. 1.5 guard now, closing the lever. So now we're gonna baby tap the line right here. Let's go all the way to the top of the line. Using my hard trimmer, this is my trimmer that is 0 gap. Start with the left little corner. Pretend like this is a pencil. You're just going in that natural position, the natural outline of your C-cup area. Let's grab our shaver. I left the bottom line for last just because I like playing it safe. You guys don't want to take this up too high. We're going about a finger's length at the bottom. Just graze it up. You guys can use an electric shaver. If you guys have a straight razor, whatever shaver. putting it all the way. All of that bulk at the bottom. Get rid of these stranglers. Highly recommend you guys taking at least 5 to 10 attempts at cutting your own hair. If you guys make improvements, keep going at it, keep watching videos, watch other barbers that do this too. It just helps out, guys, to be able to know how to cut yourself up from anywhere. If you guys travel, you guys won't kind of go through a panic attack that you guys aren't gonna be able to find a barber. You guys relocate somewhere, guess what? You guys can fade yourself up until you find somebody that can do the job better than yourself. For myself, I'm at that point where it just saves me time and money. You know, me traveling to somebody, me setting an appointment, it's too much work. I'd rather just do it at home for myself. And I give myself a pretty damn well, like, nice clean fade and a beard lineup. And I just recently traveled, so I was able to take my equipment, line myself up, and I'm ready to go. You know, so that's the reason why I wanted to drop this video for you guys to have a full video guide on how to give yourself a clean mid fade. But that's basically it. This is the final product.